Come and join me to witness the greenest city in Metro Manila. The Memorial City houses a small amusement park called Circle of Fun, a green spaces for picnics and other family-friendly activities. Representing Marinig Kami TV. Ang malaking pabilog na parke na ito ay isang magandang lugar para maglakad-lakad sa umaga o mag-jogging o para lang mamasyal. Mayroon din itong museo sa sentro na nakatuon na tagapagtatag ng lungsod na si Manuel L. Quezon. Originally conceived as the site for National Capitol in Quezon City, the Quezon Memorial Circle was ended to the House of the Congress of the Philippines. Ang lokasyon ito ay bahagi ng mas malawak na plano para sa National Government Center or NGC na sumasaklaw sa Elliptical Road at Quezon City Quadrangle na kinabibilangan ng North, South, East at West triangles. The Quezon Memorial Circle is one of the most famous landmarks in Quezon City. The centerpiece of this circle is a 66-meter tall monument that honors the memory of the Philippine second President Manuel L. Quezon. The monument features a huge statue of the former president, surrounded by large pillars and intricate carvings that depicts important events and people in the Philippine history. The park also features the Quezon Memorial Shrine Museum, housing various artifacts and memorabilia related to his legacy. Visitor can explore the museum and learn more about Quezon role in the Philippine history, including his contribution to the country's independence and his effort to promote social justice and equality. At bukod sa monumento at museo, ang Quezon Memorial Circle ay isang nag-aalok din ng iba't ibang mga recreational facility tulad ng skating rink, bike rental at playground. Ito ay isang sikat na destinasyon para sa mga lokal at turista na nag-host ng iba't ibang kultural na kaganapan at konsyerto taon-taon. So guys, what are you waiting for? Come and visit now the Circle of Fun, a memorial circle ng Quezon City.